Hello, this is Mr. Standerson, and in this video I'm going to describe how to use a ticker tape to describe the motion of a car, whether it's moving fast or whether moving is slow, and how we can apply this to other objects. So we're going to be exploring motion with the use of ticker tapes. To help explain this analogy, I want to have you think of the car and think of it as having an oil leak. And let's say the oil leaks out of the car at a very regular interval. So let's say it leaks out once every 0.2 seconds. If the car is moving at a constant speed across the screen, the ticker tape would look something like this. Notice there are very even spacing between each of the oil drops. If we look at the oil drop pattern of a car that's moving faster, we'll see something different. We'll see the spacing of the drops increase. So the drop pattern gives us some indication and clues into the motion of the cars. Spaced drops that are close together will be a slow motion, and farther distance between each drop will indicate a higher speed. If the car was to accelerate, the dots would be spaced differently along the path, with the dots being spaced closer together in the beginning of the journey and then farther apart towards the end, indicating it sped up. A car that starts fast and then ends slow would have an opposite pattern. Here you can see the dots being spaced far apart in the beginning and then getting closer together towards the end of the journey.